your life.
Okay, hello everybody. I am Deepika, co-founder of Conquering My Own Everest. Welcome to our daily 5:30 p.m. Facebook Live. So today we're going to talk about vitamin D. Yes, we do get it from sunlight. We'll start with what vitamin D is really important for. Vitamin D helps in calcium absorption in our small intestine, and it increases the calcium absorption by 20 times, and it helps in bringing the calcium from intestine to our blood. Vitamin D also helps in lowering blood pressure. The people who are deficient in vitamin D sometimes have high blood pressure issues because of their low vitamin D. Vitamin D also affects the immune system. So people who have immune deficiencies or autoimmune diseases, vitamin D can really help them as well. And it also helps in prevention of asthma. People who have asthma, if they go out in the sunlight, so the sunlight really helps in reducing their asthma symptoms. Now, if we talk about where we get it from, so 20 minutes exposure to sunlight almost gives us around 30 to 35,000 IUs of vitamin D, wherein we need almost 10,000 IUs of vitamin D daily. So don't worry, overexposure won't harm you, but going out in sunlight for just a few minutes really helps in getting the vitamin D in our body. As we just discussed that it helps in calcium absorption. So if you're deficient in vitamin D, you can also experience bone pain sometimes, and it also helps in preventing depression. Now if we talk about what are the causes of vitamin D deficiency, so a few major causes include gallbladder issues for people. So if people have issues in their gallbladder, they might be deficient in vitamin D. Then if people have cortisol issues, so if they're dealing with stress, that can also lower their vitamin D because it blocks vitamin D absorption. And then if we don't expose ourselves to sun, that also causes vitamin D deficiency. So that's it for today, guys. We'll meet again tomorrow. You can get in touch with us at Conquering My Own Everest to know more about such things. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Bye bye.